and I was crying. I was like, I don't know who I am if I'm not his girlfriend.
Yeah.
And that's parang, naano ako doon na parang, shit, ay, sorry. Di
Okay lang yan, pwede yan.
okay. Sheet pala, sheet. Hindi pwede yun. So, dapat, if you find yourself wanting to spend almost all of your time with your person, I think warning sign na yun for you.
Yes,
Totoo naman.
Na parang,
It's a
wait
self-check,
lang.
diba?
Yeah.
Ang
That's why,
ganda nun.
red flag.
Actually, tama yun. Maganda yung sinabi mo, Inka, na parang, kasi siguro, kaya tayo, okay lang to spend every day together. Kasi nga, alam ko kung sino
Together.
ako.
Oo,
Hindi, tsaka alam ko kung sino ako eh.
Yeah,
Na,
oo.
syempre ayaw kitang mawala. Pero kumbaga, hindi, at the same time, hindi natin hinahayaan mawala yung identity ng isa't isa. You're a writer, you're all of these things. Ako, eto ako, I'm a matinee idol. Like, I'm a hunk. Alam mo yun?
Yeah!
Right?
Ang dami niya mga ano in his head, no? Perfect, matinee idol.
Hunk.
Now you know who I'm with.
Diba? So,
He knows himself talaga.
yeah.